Hello everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'm going to be showing a layout I created with the retro Plantines stamp set from our new January release. This is such a fun graphic set and I love those bold flowers and then those really pretty outline parts. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut out a couple of frames from the Reflection Scrapbook collection sticker sheet, which you can see here. So some of them I've already used the inside, but I've got these lovely frames left over, and so I'm just going to pull out those frames and leave the stickers in place. And that is going to be my background for the layout. I'm going to stick that on to the layout, and then I'm going to start stamping my leaves. I'm going to stamp these in colors that are very similar to the photos I'm using so that everything ties together nicely. As you can see, I am cutting out all of those leaf shapes using the coordinating dies. This is something which I really love about Altenew, is that you get the stamp and the coordinating die, and this makes the process so much easier, and it's really fun to create lots of personal embellishments that fit the color scheme you are working on. So now that I have all my little leaves, I'm going to create my clusters, one where the photo is, and then I'm going to tuck some of those some of those leaves into the frames. So now that I've got the placement right, I'm going to add another little sticker, just pop it back into the frame. I think the sentiment on this sticker fits really nicely. And I'm going to add a couple more stamps at the top just to frame everything in. And this will also create a flow over the page, helping the eye go over the photo and making the photo the center point of the layout. I will do the same at the bottom. So as you can see, this will just help everything blend in together nicely. also added a couple of stickers from the sticker sheet, and I'm going to hand write my journaling just to add a personal touch and also just to record the memory. That is it. The layout is almost done. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this little video and discovering one of our new stamps. For more information on all the products used, please visit the Altenew Scrapbook blog. And if you have any questions or any comments, just pop them in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you very soon with more inspiration from Altenew. Bye bye.